In this example, let's say I work on the procurement team and need to source a new logistics partner. I begin in PDF Spaces, the workspace inside Acrobat Studio designed with security in mind. This is where I bring together everything needed for the vendor evaluation process: RFP responses, certifications, contracts, and prior vendor assessments into a single knowledgeable hub to stay organized and focused. I can add just about any document format, up to 100 documents, so nothing critical gets left out when preparing for review. After uploading, PDF Spaces instantly summarizes vendor capabilities, pricing comparisons, risks, operational strengths, and suggests next steps. No prompt needed. I cut through the noise and get straight to what matters. Next, I can go deeper by telling the AI assistant what to focus on. I can select a pre-built assistant or customize my own, naming it and defining its role. I create a procurement assistant that understands requirements and surface risks, trade-offs, and recommendations. The AI assistant quickly surfaces red flags, opportunities, and other valuable insights. Every point includes clickable citations, so I can validate sources and dive deeper into the original document when needed. With a clear vendor landscape, I direct the AI assistant to draft a summary comparing top logistics providers. I save this as a note and focus my time on evaluating performance, negotiating terms, and aligning choices with business priorities. I can share the PDF space with colleagues so everyone has the same information and context. Now that the content for the executive summary is built, I can take it to the next level with a professional design. From the Acrobat Studio home, I jump right into Adobe Express, where I choose my template for my organization's branded design. I bring in the content from my PDF space, then use Express's intuitive editing tools to add tables, charts, or embedded visuals. And with access to a full library of Adobe stock images and fonts, it's easy to create a polished, executive-ready report. After sharing the draft with colleagues for review in Acrobat, I can see feedback all in one place with full context. Based on that feedback, I can easily update visuals, either by generating a more relevant one with Firefly, which is trained on commercially safe data, or by selecting from the company's brand kit. That's the power of Acrobat Studio.